What's good, Peep Beat Squad? It's your girl Jazz, and I'm back with a hair tutorial. I know it's been a while, but if you guys would like to see how I achieve these loose wand curls, please subscribe to the channel and continue to watch the video. Alright, so we are starting off with this wig that I have had for a while. It is body wave hair. It is completely washed and dried right now. I'm just combing through it to get all of the knots out. And how we're going to start this off is I usually clip up the sides of the wig with a clip, and then in the back I start doing layers. I do 2 layers in the back, and I just do 1 layer on both sides. Y'all see my little baby bump? Aww. I am so excited. And if you don't know, you guys should go over to my couples channel, Jazzy Faye and Bay. Subscribe to that channel, please. Share it with your friends and family. We just had a gender reveal, and it's a girl. I am so excited to have a girl in the house. It's just me and 2 boys, okay? So after clipping up everything that I needed to clip, as you guys can see, I did do 2 layers in the back of the wig. We're going to start off with this spray that I received. I actually got this from Walmart Smart Style. It's a heat protectant spray. I use that on the hair before I start to protect this wig because it is human hair. So first we're just gonna go in with the wand curler. I have it on the highest heat possible, and you just twirl the hair around the wand. It's very, very simple. You might burn your finger a couple times, which I did because I have nails on. Sometimes it feels like I just don't have hand-eye coordination when I have nails in my hand. So what I am doing is taking small sections at a time. You can part it if you would like, but I'm just eyeballing it. I ring the hair around the wand until the very end. I'm leaving a small piece at the end out because I want this dramatic look at the end that you guys saw in the beginning of the video. The tighter that you curl the hair around the wand, the tighter your curls will be. But you can always comb them out, brush them out, run your fingers through it just to get the look that you would like. But for this wig, we are doing loose wand curls. It looks a little bit tight right now, I know, but watch until the results. Also, a note for you guys, I am actually holding this curl for maybe 3 or 4 seconds, and that's because I have it on the highest heat. I believe the heat is 410 degrees. The hotter it is, the less that you have to hold it to get the right curl, okay? So I was just trying to run through this wig, and I had it on 410. I hold it for 3 or 4 seconds. The curl comes out amazing. And now we're on to the next section. I'm doing it this way because I want layers. I don't want just a flat wig. You can just go around the perimeter of the wig and have some little loose curls at the bottom, and it'll probably look like beach waves. But me, I like volume. I love volume. I don't want my stuff looking flat. So that's why I'm doing layers. Once I get to the top layer, it kind of looks like my sections are getting a little bit bigger. But like I said, I am just eyeballing it. You guys can do as you please. Do as you want. It's your hair, boo. Do you, boo. Do you. By the way, I know this has nothing to do with this video, but as you guys can see, I've been getting a lot of compliments about this emerald green color on my nails, and I really just went and did it. Like, I've never had green nails before. I get so many compliments now, and I did it because it's my son's favorite color. So the hardest part of the nail salon is figuring out the next color. If you guys have any comments on what color I should try next, please put it down in the comments below. If you guys have any questions about where I got this one curler or this wig, please put that down below and I will be happy to answer your questions. Yes! Oh my goodness. I don't know about you guys, but once I start doing our hairstyle and I see it coming along, coming right, doing what it's supposed to do, boo, I get so excited. Like, look at these curls. You can't tell me these curls ain't cute and juicy. Juicy. Look at them. And I have the volume that I wanted. Like I was telling you guys, do layers to get the volume. Why have a flat wig when you can have these beautiful curls like this? The way they lay on top of each other. Look at them. Oh my goodness. Ah! I just can't help myself, you guys. I love when I see things coming together the way that I want it to, okay? This is amazing. But I'm just going to go ahead and finish the back layer of this. And then we're going to go off to the sides. All right, ladies, so I didn't want to keep recording, you know, it can get boring after a while, so I just went on and did the left side of the wig, and I just wanted to show you guys because it's very repetitive, like very repetitive. Y'all see these clips hanging up on my drawstring? Anyways, yeah, and then boom, we got the other side looking nice and juicy. We are all finished. Don't mind the little hair at the top that's sticking up. I don't know what was going on right there. I obviously didn't catch it in the one curler. But what we're going to do is go back in with this heat protectant spray. Like I said, if you want the deets on this, it'll be down in the description box. I got it from the hair salon in Walmart called Smart Style, and it is amazing. The lady there uses it in my hair when she does my hair, and I just thought it was great. It's weightless, it's light, it's amazing. You get the shine and heat protectant all at the same time, and it's kind of like hairspray as well to hold the curls. So I'm just giving you guys a closer look of these curls before I manipulate them the way that I want them to be manipulated. And let me tell you guys, the body shaking, stiff wear, glossy, amazing. And as you guys can see, at the bottom of each curl, there's like a straight strand, which I left there on purpose. Like I was telling you guys to leave a little bit at the bottom because I wanted it to have this amazing dramatic look once I comb it out like I'm doing now. I prefer to use a wide tooth comb because I don't want to brush out all of the curls and it gets frizzy. So using a wide tooth comb gives you the best look. I'm telling you guys, wide tooth comb, best look. You can also use your fingers, which can be considered wide tooth comb, you know what I'm saying? But I'm just combing them out, as you guys can see. If you want to leave the curls in there and let them drop as the day goes by, you can do that as well. But I'm loving this look right here. I combed out the little part at the top that was sticking up. And I hope you guys really do enjoy this video. I'm giving you guys a before and after. Oh my gosh, the transformation is amazing. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I hope you're feeling your girl Jazz. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.